beautiful, how are you today? Thank you so much for being here, for hitting that like button, for subscribing if you're not already a member of my family, and for hitting that notification bell if you really enjoy my content today, because that will let you know the next time new content is uploaded on this channel. And for the beautiful comments that you leave in the comment section below, it means the world to me, so thank you. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about foundation and how to achieve the correct color for your skin tone. And there are a couple of companies that come to mind immediately when I think of the wide cross-section of all the colors of the ladies that exist here on earth with us, from the whitest of white to the darkest of dark. And those two companies, the very first one is a drugstore brand. It is NYX or NYX, and the other is Urban Decay. Their Stay Naked foundation, I'm really impressed with the wide array of colors that they provide. So really well done to you two companies. Now, if still you have a skin color that really isn't quite covered with the colors that are available, you can mix colors, all right? And I have the Urban Decay with me here. I started out with this and it really didn't quite fit my my skin color, but and then I found this one and I'm really happy with the outcome of this. But if I were to go and tan and be out in the sunshine, get a little extra sun, then this wouldn't quite cut it, but this would not be dark enough or light enough for me still. So what I do is something that a lot of makeup artists do, just in case they don't quite have a color that covers the person whose makeup they're doing in front of them. So this one is the 40 CP and this is the 50 NN. And what they will actually do is on their little palette or on their hand, put a couple of squirts of the one color, and so I'm going to do the one that actually matches my skin tone at the moment, which is the 40 CP, and then just darken it up a little bit with the 50 NN, and I've got just a tiny little bit of color in there, not very much at all, but it'll be just enough, and you can see that little bit of color difference in there. So what I'll do is just mix it up a little bit with my brush and place it on my skin and start to mix it in. Now, this can also be done with different finishes on with the foundation as well. Sometimes you have something that is super dewy, but you want to tone that down a little bit. So you can go into another brand even and mix the two of those and come out with something that isn't quite matte but isn't quite so dewy, and come out with that perfect combination for your skin for that day, whatever your needs are. And don't ever be afraid to play with makeup. Makeup is fun and I love what it can do for you. I love how it makes me feel when I put it on. So I just want to thank you very much for being with me today. Remember, ladies, I am enough. I am enough. So I will see you in my next upload.